FutureCar, your automotive rumor YouTube channel. Aston Martin Vantage 2025. Specifications: vehicle type, front engine, rear-wheel drive, 2-passenger, 2-door hatchback. Price: base, $194,400. Engine: twin-turbocharged and intercooled DOHC 32-valve V8, aluminum block and heads, direct fuel injection. Displacement: 243 and 3,982 cubic centimeters. Power: 656 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. Torque: 590 lb-ft at 2,750 RPM. Transmission: 8-speed automatic. Dimensions: wheelbase, 106.5 in. Length, 177.0 in. Width, 76.5 in. Height, 50.2 in. Passenger volume, F47 feet 3. Cargo volume, 12 feet 3. Curb weight C/DS 3,750 pounds. Performance C/DST 60 miles per hour, 3.0 seconds. 100 miles per hour, 6.6 seconds. 1/4 mile, 10.9 seconds. Top speed, 202 miles per hour. EPA fuel economy, C/DST. Combined/city/highway, 20/18/24 mpg. Review: exclusive, elegant, and incredibly powerful, the Aston Martin Vantage presents a respectable interpretation of the high-performance Grand Touring car concept. With a new 656 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine, a redesigned interior, and a few obliquely small outward changes, the 2025 Vantage is better in every way. Although the 12-cylinder Vantage is sadly no longer available, any concerns about the engine's 4 fewer cylinders should be allayed by the 128 horsepower boost over the previous version. The gasoline V8 offers visceral pleasures with quick acceleration accompanied by a loud exhaust note, and the Vantage's agile chassis gains a boost from updated dynamics software and suspension design. Still small, the updated cabin has hand-stitched leather and a contemporary entertainment system. Thank goodness, there are still a few tactile controls for important things like HVAC settings, exhaust selection, and drive mode. The Vantage will appeal to drivers looking for that rarefied sports car experience who feel the Mercedes-AMG GT63 and the similarly priced Porsche 911 Turbo are too ubiquitous. Those looking for even more exclusivity are invited to upgrade to the Aston DB12. 2025, what's new? Among the exterior changes are new LED headlamps and a new front bumper with a much bigger grille. There are new side vents behind the wheel arches, and new front fenders cover new 21-inch alloy wheels. A single gear selection lever replaces the Aston's previous push buttons, a single instrument display replaces the original 3-gauge digital cluster, and a new center console and infotainment touchscreen complete a thorough interior makeover.